Reviewing a $20 sewing machine for anyone 8 years and up. It comes with a small already threaded sewing machine, 2 12x12 non-woven sheets, 3 15-yard sewing thread spools, measuring tape, and stuffing. You will need 4 AA batteries that are not included. Turn the hand wheel towards the front for a few stitches before turning the sewing machine on. This will keep your thread from getting tangled. Now turn on sewing machine. This sewing machine works really well for the $20 price. It would be a great starter sewing machine for a beginner sewer.